Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video. Few days back I posted the first impressions of Xiaomi Redmi Y2. In that video I promised to buy the Redmi Y2 for unboxing and review purpose. Finally I received my Redmi Y2. So in this video I am gonna show you the unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Y2 and I will also tell you specifications again. This is the box of Xiaomi Redmi Y2. On the back side it mentions key specifications including 16 megapixels front camera and dual rear camera. Now without wasting much time, let's open this box. This is the grey color variant of Xiaomi Redmi Y2. I will talk about this phone later. First let me check what are the other things inside this box, and this seems to be a white box, and inside this you are getting few papers. This is user guide and this is the warranty information, and here in this package this is the silicone back cover for Xiaomi Redmi Y2. If you are satisfied with this, you do not need to buy a separate one. Other things include this adapter for charging this phone, and here is the micro USB cable for charging and data syncing. There is also a SIM ejector pin. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Y2 that looks exactly similar to Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro from the front and the back as well. There are few minor differences, but you won't be able to easily differentiate between these two. The most notable difference is the position of antenna lines. In Redmi Y2 you see two thin lines around the top and bottom edge. These are the antenna lines. Above the display it has front camera, earpiece and front camera flash. It uses on-screen navigation keys, so there are no capacitive keys below the display. At the right side it has volume rocker and power button. At the left it has SIM card slot where you can put two SIM cards and one micro SD card. At the top it has 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared blaster and secondary microphone. At the base side it has speaker, micro USB port and primary mic. On the back it has dual camera setup vertically aligned and fingerprint sensor. Unlike Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Y2 comes with plastic build. I already talked about my impressions of Redmi Y2 in the previous video, so I am not going into details of those things again. I will just tell you the key specifications of the phone, and then you need to wait for the full review of Xiaomi Redmi Y2 that will be coming very soon. The phone features 5.99 inches HD Plus display. It runs on MIUI 9.5 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The upgrade for MIUI 10 will be coming very soon. The phone packs 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 546 GPU. There are two models, 3GB RAM with 32GB of storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB of storage. In both models, you can expand the storage up to 256GB by using the dedicated microSD card slot. The phone features a dual camera setup where the primary sensor is of 12 megapixels and the secondary sensor is of 5 megapixels. At the front side it has 16 megapixels camera with front LED flash. These are few shots that I captured using the camera of Xiaomi Redmi Y2. The phone supports both face unlock and fingerprint unlock. I used both fingerprint sensor unlock and face unlock worked fine. Other connectivity features of this phone are 4G with voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS and micro USB. The phone packs 3080 mAh battery. I have yet to test the battery performance and battery charging time, so I will talk about this thing in the final review of Xiaomi Redmi Y2. So these were the specifications of Redmi Y2. I will be publishing the Redmi Y2 review very soon. If you have any question to ask, you can put it in the comment and I will try to answer that in the final review of Redmi Y2. That's it in this video. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe it right now. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Commissioner!